The intelligent key system allows you to conveniently lock and unlock the vehicle without ever removing the key fob from your pocket or purse. The vehicle will unlock automatically when you approach with the intelligent key and will lock automatically when you leave with the intelligent key. These functions can be enabled in the vehicle information display. The door handles are retractable. They will extend outward under one of the following conditions. The vehicle is approached with the intelligent key. The vehicle is unlocked. A door is opened. The vehicle detects a collision. To lock your vehicle, touch any door handle lock sensor once all doors have been closed. These functions are available when the intelligent key is within approximately 2.5 feet of the corresponding sensor. The door handles will retract when one of the following conditions is met. Walking away from the vehicle after it has been locked. 5 minutes have passed after the vehicle has been locked. The vehicle reaches a certain speed. The vehicle is locked by the power door lock switch or the automatic door locks. The transmission is shifted to the reverse position. The intelligent key has remote keyless entry functions that can operate within approximately 33 feet of the vehicle. Press this button to unlock the driver's door. Press again within 1 minute to unlock the remaining exterior locks. Press and hold this button to open the front windows and moonroof, if so equipped. Press this button to lock your vehicle. The hazard lights will flash, and the horn will beep to let you know the doors have been locked. If you exit the vehicle and close the door without the intelligent key, all doors will unlock, and a warning chime will sound. Pressing and holding both the lock and unlock buttons for more than 4 seconds will deactivate the horn beep feature. The hazard lights will flash 3 times, letting you know the feature has been turned off. To turn it back on, press and hold both buttons again for longer than 4 seconds. The hazard lights will flash once, and the horn will beep once. Your intelligent key is also equipped with a panic alarm button. To activate the panic alarm, press and hold this button. The alarm can be deactivated by pressing any button on the key fob. In the event that the intelligent key battery is dead, you can find a mechanical key on the back side of the key fob. Release the lock knob to slide out the mechanical key. Up to 4 intelligent keys can be used with one vehicle, as long as the key is registered with an INFINITI retailer prior to using the system. If so equipped, the user profile function will store personal settings linked to the intelligent key assigned to each user. To add or edit a user profile, touch Settings on the launch bar. Users. Then add a new user or select the profile you wish to edit. The intelligent key contains sensitive electrical components. Please avoid these circumstances that could affect its operation. Avoid dropping or striking it against another object. Keep it away from water. Keep it away from equipment with magnetic fields, including computers, cell phones, TVs, and audio accessories. And avoid using a keychain that contains a magnet. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.